Who appointed you as investigative journalist? Who appointed you as investigative journalist on Slice Matter?
This woman will be say they see for this video so don't come and say any young say she for see Kemi, what do they call Kemi Oluyoyo? So say she go settle down, beat her well so that the knot won't be say loose come off for her head. Say go make sure say him tie the knot back well. Say they don't know who they send her message. Say don't tell won't be say they want her see make she they shut up her mouth for matter won't be say no concern her for social media. Say because say she dey like me, she dey relevant for the society, so let me come say she dey talk rubbish, so say but for this one, so say don't meet her for, but people won't be say no know what to be say they go on. So this Kemi so come begin the open mouth they talk say that boy won't be say they call Sylvester, so won't be say be 12 years old, won't be say they die for body school. So the Kemi the open mouth come outside for social media through the voice record of the group. Won't be say she till they follow other people they talk for inside. Say the boy so say the boy decide say he wanted drain the Curtis. Say not be people, not be those 5 students. So force make me say join. Say so to take see the covenant of the Curtis. So say the counter say they go give her engine oil. Won't be say go drink. Say so the boy willingly come outside say he want drain. Not be say the your carry first sense. Now out of peer pressure, won't be say they go on for the school. Now we come see this boy thought say he want drain and so. He say I think they would talk the matter so safe. Say he put hand for chest, they talk and say na police won't be say he arrest all those 5 boys. So now they give them the better concrete information. When we say the matter contain sub now, the family of the boy now can't charge, they can't verse, they can't talk say make this Kemi come outside, so make it can't talk to be saying no for the matter to be say she talk say her eye see everything we say they go on. So now make can be say this woman so we they see for this video, so can't charge, can't begin the verse say she go make sure say she deal with Femi anytime I be Kemi, anytime we say she take see Kemi. So make I play the video for now, make I not to talk too much, make I play the video for now, make una see the way be say she take made the conversation, so make I come back with the rest of my thoughts.
You didn't hear me say I'm in a news conference.
I don't care. I'm coming to your house. Tell the commissioner of police to get the people on standby because I'm going to blue black. For you know I know your house.
Your conversation.
Yes, that's why I want you to record it. You know I know your house. I'm not going to see. I am going to come to your house. Tell USAID, tell US Immigration, tell US Embassy, tell the Commissioner of Police to be on standby because I am coming to your house. That in your head, Kemi, I am going to personally bring it down. It's a personal issue between you and I because I don't know why you will go and start denting my image. The same thing you did to Tiwa that feeds you. Now you come to social media and think you can use people's name for content. Oluloyo, content like you know you did it to me during Showore. You lied against me during Showore. This is going to be the last of it. If I get to your house, waste my time and come to your house, and there's no police officer to stop me in your house, he's going to make it double. I'm going to multiply that year. You think you are used to people's name, Abi? In this sensitive time, you are saying all sort of rubbish concerning Slice case. Who appointed you as investigative journalist? Who appointed you as investigative journalist on Slice Matter? Did the Commissioner of Police announce your name or Inspector General of Police? You just think you want to come out because you need content. You start saying rubbish. This is what I warned you against during Tiwa Savage Skinny. You can't come to social media and stop and be people. Do you even have money to do investigation? Kemi, do you have money to do investigating Slice case properly? You are telling me the boy John Court. So you are aware that there is court in Dowen College.
I'm not investigating Slice case. I'm telling you what I know in the investigation. I'm giving you.
Only a buruta no fun no commercial investigation. So the most well point here.
Today is the 13th of December
2021. Ma call date. Make sure when mo buy US Embassy lenu ona li
This scare me so I own too much for social media. Matter won't be say no send and I be say she dey like to dey put in mouth put. Only one for Tiwa Savage says tape that time so she thought say her eye see and say na so one man wey they call Obama, so say the Obama pikin na be the person who be see they come see Tiwa Savage for that kind of compromise situation. Now for that level won't be say it happen to Tiwa Savage, won't be say not too far from here. So only she pikin see they talk about the time won't be say NSAS matter see sub for Nigeria, say that girl when they call DJ Switch say na less na DJ Switch begin they organize Nigeria to go they cause things soon wey be say e no suppose for that Lekki toll gate. Since then na different people no dey like me say they even dey involve body with herself come go reach Hush Puppy kukuma. She even still talk things wey be say for Hush Puppy matter, come even still go throw mouth, go give a leader Ikeji. So this woman sef her own busybody too much, her own chaos too much. People no dey even dey like to even dey associate with her at all. She be mother, she get children. How she go feel when be say person go begin come outside for social media begin dey talk the things when be say she dey open her mouth take dey talk? So e no dey suppose. Journalist when be say she read for Canada, we no see document, we no see. If you even go Canada sef make you even browse this Kemi, so you no go even see Kemi for among the top 1 million journalists wey be say dey for the matter. Nobody know who can send this woman come now. So only one for Regina Daniel matter, they go see talk put, go dey support anybody who be say they give her money, they bribe her, make sure they talk rubbish. Interview when you no go send this woman so for that the freeze. So any small thing don call that the freeze begin dey do interview wey be say they no send her message at all. This woman I just pray wey be say this one wey be say happen to her, so it go serve as big lesson and as a big warning to her wey be say no be everything wey be say I see, no be everything wey be say ear hear, no be say mouth dey talk.
Where is safe for our kids? Like where? School is not safe, boarding house is not safe, streets is not safe, church is not safe, house is not safe. So where is safe for these kids? How can I as a mother send my child to school only for them to my child and send my child home, and the school authority had to cover up for the kids that child and let to? Like, what is happening with this system? Like, it is crazy. We need Dowen College to be accountable for this. We've had several situations, several scenarios where we have your kids or your students all up in the clubs, all up in adult gigs. We see them everywhere. There's one time I was even trying to buy something at, was it Daytona in Lekki? And the way the students of your school are speaking to themselves is so alarming. I was so scared. Then I had to ask them, what school do you attend? Dowen College. I remember one time as well, I used to like mentor one of your students. I literally came into your school during school hour to pick up this girl for an audition, and nobody stopped me. I have to ask for a teacher to speak to a teacher for permission, but nobody stopped me. Nobody stopped me. I was coming to pick I think she was in SS1 or SS2. I don't want to mention her name as well. Nobody stopped me. A child. Dear God, under no circumstances, no reason, not under this sun, this moon, not on this earth, please do not give me a child that will be so and heartless and so unbothered, and a child that is going to allow devil to use him or her. Please do not give me such child. And please, God, don't make me a bad mother or a bad parent. If at all I'm going to be a bad parent, please do not give me any child. Don't give me any child that's going to bring a shame to the name of God or to my family, please. This is so disheartening. Like, this is scary.
Anyway, anything we see you get, we see you like to contribute for this particular topic, so me not forget to leave them for the comment section below. Until I see you now for my next video. Bye bye.